So, children, a very good morning to you all. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss about the youth in Nazi Germany. First of all, I would like to tell you that a country which has a good proportion of youth generation in a country is considered as a very young country. Okay, why? The reason is the maximum, the percentage which is given in the economy of a country is given by the youth of a country. Okay, young age, that is the small children as well as the old people, they don't add any growth, GDP in a country. Youth gives maximum economic growth in a country. That is why a country which has maximum number of youth generation, a good percentage of youth generation in a country is considered as a very young country. So, first of all, in order to bring a development in Germany, Hitler was too much concerned about the youth of a country. Before this chapter, when I began with this topic, I told you that Hitler wanted their people to be more masculine, aggressive, and strong. So this was the ideology, Nazi's ideology at that time. So, in order to bring such kind of changes in a country, the stress was given on the youth of that country. So, according to Nazi's ideology, the main focus was on the youth of a country, and in this, Hitler was mainly concerned. He was too much interested about the youth of the country. Okay, so he felt that the strong Nazi society could only be established when we are going to teach children about only the Nazis' worldview, the Nazis' ideology. Then only we can bring a strong Nazi society in a country. So, according to him, he thought that there should be a control over the children in our in Germany, both inside as well as outside. So, first of all, in order to bring a change in a country, the main thing which a government does is they bring changes in the structural function of the education system in a country. This is what the same was done by Hitler at that time. So first of all, the thing which he brought a change was in the school. So what he did in the school, first of all, schools were totally cleansed and purified. What do you mean by cleansed and purified? It means that the Jews teachers were considered as politically unreliable, politically उन पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए उन लोग को सबसे पहले टीचर्स को डिसमिस कर दिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद Germans and Jewish children, they were totally segregated, they were separated. That means they were not allowed to sit together, even they were not allowed to play together. Okay. And especially the undesirable children, that is the Jews, and the physically handicapped, that is the gypsies, they were thrown out of the schools. ठीक है, फिर से मैं बोल रही हूँ, undesirable children, that is Jews children, and physically handicapped children as well as the gypsies children, they were thrown out of the schools. And finally, what happened in 1940, they were taken out in the gas chambers where they were totally persecuted. Thirdly, now in the schooling process also, Nazi schooling process were also totally changed. अब what happened in that, इसमें जो है आइडियोलॉजिकल ट्रेनिंग दी जाती थी बच्चों को. आइडियोलॉजिकल ट्रेनिंग कैसे दी जाती थी? स्कूल टेक्स्ट बुक्स वर री रिटन. सबसे पहले उनको फिर से लिखा गया. अब री रिटन उसमें क्या लिखा गया? What they did in that, totally in the textbook they introduced Nazis ideas of race. Nazis ideas of race में क्या था? Children, they were taught to hate Jews and worship only Hitler in the books. ठीक है. And side by side, in the book they told about the Jews stereotype thinkings. Stereotype means the hatredness which was prevailing at that time against the Jews. कि हम इन्होंने क्राइस्ट को मारा है, ये ऐसे लोग हैं, वैसे लोग. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्टीरियोटाइप सोसाइटी, जिनकी पुरानी अपनी वो थिंकिंग चली आती है. सो in this books they were told about the stereotypes about Jews were popularized, and even in maths classes they brought a good example in which only the Jews were examples were laid out. ठीक है. Even in the function of sports also, what kind of sports they were being taught at that time? The spirit of violence was taught at that time, and aggression among the children, बच्चों के अंदर aggression की feeling जो है sports में उनको सिखाई जाती थी, violence करो, aggressive हो. Hitler also believed that boxing should be taught in the school. Why? Because in this way the children can become iron hearted, strong and masculine. So these are the things which prevailed in the school. अब उसके बाद क्या हुआ, last में he formed a youth organization. Youth organization were also formed, which were responsible for educating German youth in the spirit of national socialism. अब इसके लिए क्या किया, 10 years old had to move in Jungwalk. ठीक है, इन Jungwalk मीन्स जहाँ पे नाजीज यूथ ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रन होता है बिलो 14 years ऑफ एज. अब 14 years के बाद क्या हुआ था, 14 years के बाद बच्चों को नाजी यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए जाना पड़ता था, जिसको कि हम हिटलर यूथ भी बोलते हैं. इट वॉज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ हिटलर यूथ. यहाँ पे बच्चों को सिखाया जाता क्या, दे वर टॉट टू वर्शिप वॉर. ठीक है, ग्लोरीफाई एग्रेशन वायलेंस सिखाया जाता था. कंडेम डेमोक्रेसी के अगेंस्ट बताया जाता था. हेट ज्यूज एंड कम्युनिस्ट्स. ठीक है, जिप्सीज एंड ऑल जो उनको अनडिजायरेबल कैटेगराइज करके उनको बताया जाता था कि इनसे दूर रहिए. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग वॉज गिवन टू चिल्ड्रन अबाउ 14 years ऑफ एज. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट जहाँ पे रिगरस आइडियोलॉजिकल एंड फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, उसके बाद उनको जो है लेबर सर्विस ज्वाइन करवाई जाती है. लेबर सर्विस कब ज्वाइन करवाती है, एट द एज ऑफ 18. एट द एज ऑफ 18 दे वर सपोज टू ज्वाइन द लेबर सर्विस. वहाँ पे दीज पीपल, द चिल्ड्रन अबव द एज ऑफ 18, दे वर सपोज टू सर्व इन द आर्म्ड फोर्सेज and enter one of the Nazis organization which was renamed as the Nazi Youth in 1922. ठीक है, सो इसको यूथ मूवमेंट को यूनिफाई करने के लिए, नाजी के अंडर, नाजीज के आइडियोलॉजी के अंदर कंट्रोल करने के लिए बाकी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी, इसके अलावा यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जर्मनी थी, टोटली इसको डिसॉल्व कर दिया. बाद में इसको बैन कर दिया गया था. ओनली हिटलर यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है प्रिवेल कर रही थी जर्मनी में. सो द टू इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विच अराइजेज ओवर हियर इज व्हाट हैपेंड इन द स्कूल्स अंडर द यूथ इन नाजीज जर्मनी, एंड द सेकंड इज राइट अबाउट द यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन which was made possible for educating German youth. That is this one question. Okay, so two important question which arises is, children read it, write down in your notebook and go through page number 66.